Hi folks, good morning, good day, good evening from wherever you're watching. Warm welcome from Ranjani Rao. Who am I? I'm a holistic life design consultant, a life coach and an executive coach, and I specialize in helping people transform their lives uh, to deal with maybe challenges that they are thrown in life, or maybe they are going through some emotional burnout. Maybe they are so busy with their work routine or their life that they don't know their passion or life purpose, or they just want to find themselves or discover themselves. Well, I come in when people are looking for these kind of solutions. And yes, if you're worried, anxious, and constantly thinking about the future, then I help you to come up with solutions that will give you inner peace and fulfillment. Yes, all that. How do I make that happen? I make that happen today through some of the modalities and tools that I have been able to combine and integrate through my journey. I have been coaching and counseling and mentoring since 7 years now. Yes, 7 years. And over a decade, I have been into leadership and management of folks in UI, UX, and then I became a design thinking consultant and facilitator in the corporate. So I bring that experience as well. So if you were to ask me, who do I coach and who do I help, it could be anywhere between a new manager who has just come on board to a mid-level manager who's looking for growth, and a senior level manager who's exhausted and looking for a career transition or a plan B or a plan C. If you are an entrepreneur or a business owner who wants to balance your life with intuition, to get clarity in your business, to manage your own energy and time, I can also help you. So this is my expertise. Now students also have been coming to me in terms of wanting to understand their career goals, put some plans together, help create a roadmap, and that I do through envisioning and art. So putting it all together, I do teach Reiki for stress management, anxiety. I do bring in meditative techniques like yoga, art, uh, to help people understand and discover themselves. Then I have a coaching methodology that I have developed on my own. It's a framework inspired by design thinking and coaching, which is called Design Your Life's Blueprint. When I say design your life's blueprint, you were already coded. When you were born, you were already coded with a unique imprint of an energy, a signature energy or a signature talent that you brought in, your hidden potential or your gifts. That is already there within you. Now, whether you have unleashed it or unlocked the potential of that and used it for the benefit of society or for your own fulfillment, is where I come in to help you discover that and align you to that potential, or help you find opportunities where you can now live that fullest potential. So I see humans potential as a whole. I do not look at it as this this way. Like, you may be having a challenge in your career or in your life or in maybe your business, but it may be coming from a space or an area which is unfulfilled in another life segment which you haven't looked at. I help you look at you as a whole, which is where can we bring holistic balance, where can we bring a bigger picture to help you see through and bring awareness, and thereby gain clarity and help you to move forward. And that's where I our coaches like me come in. Sounds intriguing, sounds interesting. Would you be looking for something like this? If yes, let us help you, or let me help you to move forward. So what are you waiting for? If this feels resonating to you and your life theme or your current life phase that you are in, you may be dealing with any challenge, that's okay. Help us to help you and transform your life. So you know how to reach me. I'm on YouTube, I'm on Instagram and on Facebook. On Instagram, you can find me on Ranjani R. On Facebook, I'm as Ranjani Coach, and on YouTube, I'm as my own channel, which is Navranj or Ranjani Rao's YouTube channel. So happy to help you and see you on the other side. Thank you for watching.